Hi, this is Chef Deborah, and today I'm going to bake something so delicious. And guess what is it? I know you will like this recipe because nowadays ube and purple yam is very popular. So, today the recipe that I will share to you is purple yam bread roll or ube bread roll. I know you will like it. Did you bake the previous recipe that I shared to you? I hope you did it. If you have any question that you don't understand, just let me know. You can message me and I will answer back to you. So now, you know what is the secret of a baker and a pastry chef. That you must baking with love. You must do your job coming from your heart so that you will get the very nice output of your baked products. Because if you are sad while baking, all your baked products, 100%, I will assure you, will go into the garbage. So let's go and let's start baking now. For the ingredients, 600 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 40 grams of white sugar, 370 grams of ube or purple yam, 60 grams of butter, 300 ml of milk, 10 grams of instant yeast, 4 grams of salt. For the procedure, put all together the ingredients except the ube or purple yam. Mix with the hook attachment, or you can also knead the dough until it becomes a smooth texture. Now, the dough is smooth and you can rest now for 40 minutes. To make easily a round-shaped baking paper, just fold it like this and then get the middle of the pan like that and cut with the scissors. And now you have a round-shaped baking paper. No need for you to draw with a pen. Next time, it will be easy for you to make it. After 40 minutes, punch down the dough. Divide the dough into half. Now, flatten the dough with the rolling pin in rectangular shape or at least 1 centimeter in thickness. And now, you can add the purple yam and spread it all over the top of the dough. Really, when I saw the purple yam, you know, I want to eat it right now. After spreading the purple yam, you can now roll the dough on the side. Now, it's ready to divide the dough. Just cut it with the same size. Now, arrange the deformed dough like a circle and put it in the baking pan one by one. Then press again for another 40 minutes before baking. ready the egg wash. You can put 1 egg and then 1 tablespoon of water and beat it all together. Now, your egg wash is ready. After 40 minutes, this is how it looks, your dough. See? It's very nice looking. And now, it's ready to put the egg wash. We are putting egg wash on top of the dough for overall appearance of your bread. After baking, it becomes light brown. And now, it's ready for baking. Bake at 180 degrees for at least 30 minutes. I want to put some glaze on the top of my bread. These are the ingredients for the glaze. 2 cups of icing sugar, 50 ml of water, and 50 grams of melted butter. Just mix all together until it becomes smooth. And now it's ready. And now you can brush the glaze on top of the bread. It will become shiny and a little more sweet. It now. Let's see. Let's try to take it one piece. It's so soft. See? It's very nice. I love it. I really like it. See? I cannot wait now to eat it. See? See the texture? See? Very nice. Very soft. Now, let's try to cut it in the middle. You see the purple yum inside? I can't resist to eat this one. Really, it's so good. If every day I'm baking like this kind of bread, see? How's my diet now? See, it's very nice looking. And of course, it's very, very nice taste. Replay now, again, closer and slow motion. like and share this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me in Instagram and in Facebook. I hope you like this recipe and enjoy baking at home. So now, it's my time to try this one. See? It looks so yummy. Very soft.